as much chaos as we could get our little grubby hands
into. Yeah.
You're building your first MG.
Yes.
Which is very exciting. I am building my first diorama, and we're calling it Olive Garden. A garden with an olive
for
boy.
An olive.
I came here to laugh at you, and also to raise money for Alzheimer's.
We do have some milestones and some incentives to be working on today. So for the $10 donations, we'll be doing sticky notes. For $20, we'll be doing Char impersonation. For $30 and plus donations, given Peanut some dyed red eggs. She'll be rating the name of the dono individual on the red eggs. And this is her tomato splash station for anyone who's finished watching Witch from Mercury Season 1.
Believe it.
That's Naruto!
I want to be the Hokage. Watashi ga kita. I'm here.
You're the worst. What about my face?
I'm not gonna hit you in the face.
Hold on, I'll just hide. I'll be fine.
Don't.
You didn't break it, did you?
Oh my god, what are these made of?
I thought you were strong. You were just flexing about how strong you are.
Yeah, but you're
what
frail.
Happened?
You're frail and weak, and I didn't want to hurt you.
Why is this my problem now?
Okay, ready? Goodbye, Will.
Yay!
Yay, yay, yay!
Yeah.
God,
We love having you around, Glenn.
You'll be missed, truly.
It didn't work.
What are these?
Glenn's
what
too
are
strong
these?
for you,
Glenn,
Glenn's
his
too
love
strong.
for Exia.
Oh. The Exia love is too strong.
Ah! Dress me.
Your character.
Bald. Old.
Ma'am, you got egg on my book.
I didn't do nothing.
I like how this is how much I've got done right here. This little tiny chin, and
this
you've
is
written
how
plastic
far
on a
I've gotten.
sign.
Moi cute. Ashar, I would like to thank you personally and say you're a shoot dang and darn cowboy. Thank you so much for donating to charity.
It's a me, Char.
It's a me, Ashar, mamma mia. Wow, that was really good.
That was phenomenal. Well done.
That was so good.
Milk bags can't hurt me. They don't exist.
Look, it's a milk bag, guys. That's a bag o' milk. Milk. Glenn,
Buy a milk bag.
we really appreciate you.
You served us well.
Smash those indestructible eggs.
She's trying to squeeze it.
These are indestructible. What
Just
is
give it-
this
give it a-
fucking...
Ma'am,
What is happening?
I'm gonna send you to Gundam school. You suck.
What is happening?
Is
Those
it cracked?
chickens up there are just built different.
Oh my goodness.
What is this?
I'm about to show you how it's done, ma'am.
I would like to see you. Well,
Right.
now I've loosened it up.
Oh yeah, okay. Ready? I'm gonna put my full body into
That
this
is
one.
jesting flat
God,
palm.
please
Give
don't
it the
hurt
proper
yourself.
athletic treatment.
Please don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt. Oh, Jesus. Why? Yeah, I know.
I had to break the egg.
Why did you punch it?
Because it's broken
Full
now.
strength. Because he's broken.
Oh, I'm bleeding. Look at that. Oh, I can't show that on stream.
I can finger paint with egg.
I know you would like
Oh,
to,
God,
but I
no.
don't. I can't.
I could finger paint with
You're making a
egg.
little pool here.
I could.
So, what are the rules of Chubby Bunny? You put a marshmallow in your mouth and you have to say the word Chubby Bunny.
Yeah. I'm
Chubby Bunny.
gonna kick your ass.
I'm
shouldn't
already
swear.
suffering.
Chubby bunny.
Too fast.
Chubby bunny, keep up.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. There we go. Mm.
Ladies and gentlemen, the master grading zero Verka.
Chubby bunny. Come on, amateur. Come on, old man.
I hate this. I know I know that the stream can still hear you guys.
Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
I love. I'll never understand the youth.
I'm ready.
I like that you're looking off into the distance, envisioning what the heck you're doing.
Hey.
We haven't made it to the pie incentive yet.
Hi.
Not yet.
Hey.
What do you? What color?
Some-
No. What
Can I have
color?
Some blue, please. Whoa!
I'm right here.
Whoa! Let me cook.
You look so into this.
Because I am. I'm an artiste.
Why are you getting closer to me?
Hi there. Hi.
What exactly are you drawing right now, by the way?
Gun tank.
Yeah.
Did you not know? Can you not tell? Thank you so much for donating to charity. We really appreciate you. Can I have some bread?
Just kidding.
Can I have some bread? Can I have some bread? Can I have some bread, please? Can I have some bread paint, please?
Oh!
Can I have some bread paint?
Yeah, this is your masterpiece. Can you point blindfolded to where each piece of this gun tank is?
Okay, yeah, so I'll go over my vision. Okay,
Yeah.
so where's the...
Where's the visor?
Here.
Okay. There's no paint there.
Yes, there is, you silly goose. Here is the
It's
head.
called using negative space. God.
Here's the head. I found paint. And then you got
That's
the little...
the head?
This is the head.
That's his titties. Sorry, team. I'm gonna be bald for this pie.
That is okay.
Yummy.
I've never been pied in the face before, I don't think. Here,
Oh my god. Just give it a little bit of a little bit of a slop.
All right, from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outstanding.
Looking great. It's it's really coming together.
I made a lot of progress on my diorama.
Is it time for more egg? My God, it's time for more egg. Master grade Wing Zero Verka, everyone.
Goodbye, Glenn. Goodbye, Will.
Yeah, why do you keep doing this to yourself?
Because it works.
This is the first PMW that we've had raw eggs featured, though. So
Oh my god.
I don't know.
it's an
I still
honor.
think. Oh, we got precision tool. That is not what you should use a metal file for.
Why? What are you doing in those eggs?
I can't help it.
Are you ready for our song and dance debut?
No.
Do we want to show them how beautiful our instructions are?
Do they want to see?
Isn't this phenomenal? Do you like?
Oh, it's perfect.
1, go.
Gundam, Gundam, Kibou no Hikari. Gundam, Gundam, Mirai o mezasu. Moten, Anshin, Hoten, Ansen, Tomberu, Oteru, Eriaru.
Jazz hands.
Jazz hands.
Oh my God.
Whoa! You guys like it?
How is this my life? That
Yeah.
was phenomenal.
Was that
You did
good?
a great
You
job.
F's in the chat. Goodbye, Glenn.
Everybody 07s,
We
Glenn.
appreciate your sacrifice.
Use the paintbrush
Glenn,
again.
you didn't deserve that. Glenn. A little bit of that sauce on top.
We built an HG new, and I built it to be Bob Ross. This is our boy. We call him New Bob
Oh.
Ross.
That actually looks really cool.
Hello, sir. My name is Shar. I run the Shar Corporation at Shar Inc. In Chicago.
It takes a second to update. It's
Go
getting
watch
there.
it. Thank
Glenn,
you.
Glenn.
goodbye.
Thank
Goodbye,
you,
Glenn. Thank you for pushing us over. Funny number.
You got the funny number. You literally just made history.
7 a.m.
Yay! Oppa!
Thank you, everyone, for donating and helping us hit funny number. We really appreciate everyone that donated, came to hang out, and participated.
I would like to thank the Academy.
Let that Gunpla do the
Thank you to
outro.
my friends and fans.
Good night, everyone. Thank you for everything. This is unbelievable. Thank you so much.